This video we look at composite function. Composite function, right, is actually a combination of more than one function. Right, the example here, right, we see that if function f is the function fx equals to y, right, that means if x, right, is input into function fx, right, it maps onto y, right, as well as function gx equals to z means that if y is put into function g, right, it maps onto z. So if you map x, right, if you map x onto z, this is called a composite function, right? Composite function. So what you do is, right, when x is mapped onto z, all right, you write g f x, right? That means the function x, function fx you put into function g, all right? So the composite function is g fx equals to z. Right, that means you map set A onto set C. That means this x you map onto z. Right, let's take a look at one example here. Right, if fx equals to x squared, right, so 2, right, if the object is 2, you put into function fx, all right, it points to 4, and 4, right, if you put into gx, the function gx, you get 5, right? So gx is actually x plus 1. So if you input 4 into x here, right, you get 5. Right, you can write in this format, right? Gfx is equals to g in a bracket fx. That means fx, right, you put into gx. Right, since gx is equals to x plus 1, right, and fx is actually fx is actually x squared, right, you actually put this fx, right, this fx into this x, so that's why this x now becomes x squared plus 1, right? So if it is gf2, right, gf2, so this x now becomes 2, since you want to replace this 2, this x with a 2, so it becomes 2 squared, right? 2 squared plus 1, so you get 4 plus 1, you have 5. So you actually map 2 onto 5. So gfx here, right, means g in big this comma, right, fx, this both are the same, all right. Fgx is also fgx here. So in general, right, in general, the composite function gfx is not the same as fgx, right? These two are different. And then the f squared x, all right, also means fx, right? So that means f squared x, you can write it as fx. That means fx you put into fx again, right? These are the things that you need to know about the composite function.